Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we will provide you with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on effectively configuring the Grid Explorer template feature to meet your specific requirements. Utilizing this feature as an admin, you can save your sorting, grouping, and filtering preferences as a template, which can be applied by other users to conveniently adopt the same configuration. To begin, navigate to the Setup menu and enter Custom Settings in the Quick Find box. Click Manage. Click Edit. Make sure that Preference Template is enabled. Back to the Sales Cloud. Go to an account. Let's proceed with filtering the grid by stage. And customs the columns. Also sort the close date ascending order. And group the grid by stage. Let's navigate to the Grid Explorer Templates section. Now, let's create the template by adding a title and a summary. Now, we need to switch to a different user. Let's navigate to the Grid Explorer Templates section. As you can see, this is the template that we have created. From here we can see the summary. And we can apply it from here. Of course, you have the option to choose whether to apply any of those configurations. Click Apply. Perfect. Our template has been successfully applied. Let's check the configuration. Thank you for watching.